Beautiful landscaped yard on a nice cul-de-sac lot. On Lawrence's west side. Shade trees, shrubs and flowers with a sprinkler system. Covered porch has morning sun. This home has hardy board siding. Window over the sink to watch the birds while doing the clean-up. Counter bar is a nice place for casual seating. Granite countertops with lots of counter space for cooking those big meals. All the appliances stay. Lots of windows filtering sunlight in this very open space. 9 feet ceilings.